Hello guys and girls from YouTube. In this video tutorial we are going to see the easiest and fastest way to retouch a photo or remove an object or person completely online without downloading any application or anything. And to start we are going to go to this page. I am going to leave it in the description. I have already uploaded 4 tutorials with this page. It gives us some free tools that help us a lot, so we are going to start as you see here in the tutorial that they teach us. They are eliminating a person. In this case I am going to eliminate an object. We are going to open it here, load image. We open, I have the wrong image but nothing happens. We open the one that touches and as you can see our image appears here. It gives us the following tools to move, repair. This is used to eliminate. Let's try it now. We can change the size of the brush, but I'm going to put it like this. I want to eliminate all this box. To test it I'm going to do a little. Oops, I was wrong. Let's see what happens. We are going to pull back. We have to take this tool to move and we are going to try it. We select our entire painting. Once selected, we leave and as you can see, our painting is eliminated. It still doesn't look quite right, but we can give it more tweaks. As you see, every time I pass now it would look much better if you don't know that there was a painting there. We are going to try something else. We are going to try with this sheet. We select, as you can see it shows a little, but because we know if you don't know or see it, and we're going to try this and we're going to try this. As you can see, it's the same, but without having to paint, we just select.
Ya no lo hace todo.
As you can see, we have already eliminated everything that was here. Later when we have it we can finish it, and if we still have the image here we can also try with the other image with the boy, and the same thing. We take, select a little better. Now we always have to help a little, and as you can see it is not removed from the boy. This time he has done it perfectly, not a hair is noticeable. So the quality of these stones drops a bit, but for the rest it looks perfectly. We click on continue and here where it says download we give it in PNG or JPG, what suits us best, and we can download it. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Subscribe to the channel.